Another best ultra luxury sedan. BMW series. Wow. Look at that beauty, guys. Amazing. Wow, guys, over there's a BMW 2026 model 7 series, guys. Wow. BMW ultra luxury sedans. Nice. Wow, guys, over there on the other side is the performance sedan or performance ultra luxury super electric vehicle, which is the SU7 Ultra, guys. Wow, look at that beauty, guys. Best super sedans. Wow, there's a gorgeous Porsche Panamera, guys. Wow, look at that beauty, guys. Nice. Wow, guys, over there another great ultra luxury sedan, the Xiaomi SU7 Max, guys. Nice. Look at that beauty. Nice. Wow. One of the top 10 best ultra luxury sedans. Over there another ultra luxury sedan, guys. Mercedes S-Class S500 new model. Over there nice beautiful luxury sedan, guys. Mercedes C63, or you can call it a C-Class. This one is a more performance version. Wow, guys, over there on the other side, one of the best, top 10 best ultra luxury sedans, which is the new BMW 7 Series 740i. Wow, look at that amazing, gorgeous front present, guys. Wait for it. Wait for it, guys. Wait for it. Wow. Over there, gorgeous, affordable sedan. All that is considered luxury sedan. Nice. Alright, another amazing ultra luxury sedan. Sedans S680, guys. Wow. Beautiful. Wow, guys, over there another gorgeous best ultra luxury sedan, BMW i3 e-drive 2026 model, guys. Wow, beautiful. Wow, guys, over there the top 10 ultra luxury sedans, which is the Maybach E12, guys. Wow, S680 with a Maybach wheel. Wow, beautiful, guys. Second, a nice Maybach S-Class. Beautiful. Yeah, gorgeous. This is the second SUV today. Land Rover Defender 110. Nice. Over there, first ultra luxury sedan. Mazda fully electric sedan. Nice.